With the introduction of Chat GPT, we have seen quite a few applications which are making use of Chat GPT or similar models to help people do various things. Now, it can be a GitHub Copilot, which is helping developers, or for example, an image generator, which is helping a creative person generate new images using AI. If you are someone who wants to build a similar kind of application which uses a LLM model, I'll come to it in a while, then these videos are for you. Now, there are a couple of things which you need to understand. In this first video, I want to talk about how LLMs work. Now, before I confuse you with the word LLM, let me clarify. So, LLM stands for Large Language Models. Now, these are the models which are being used by applications like or let me say which are being used extensively these days through ChatGPT or Bard or other popular AI chatbots that you are familiar with. So they are all making use of LLMs under the hood. We'll understand how these work at a very high level in this video, and then in the coming videos I'm going to show you how you can build applications using LLMs. Now, I just want to give you a quick taste of things. Now, when it comes to building applications using LLMs, you actually don't need to have a degree in machine learning. It's it's like pretty straightforward to put it like I mean to put it in a blunt way. It's not very difficult, because what you want to understand or learn is prompt engineering concepts, which is like how do you converse with these models in natural language. That's about it. If you know how to do that, then you can utilize these models to build your own applications. So in this video I'm going to give you a 10,000 feet view of how LLMs work. Let's get started. So when I talk about LLMs, to understand it at a very high level, consider like a messaging app, like say WhatsApp. When you type something in WhatsApp, you generally get suggestions, right? What should be the next word. Now LLMs are similar but at a larger scale. So instead of a single word, with LLMs you are dealing with you know uh, whatever documents exist, right? The whole set of documents that exist, or the entire repository of data that is available in the world, for example. So in your messaging app, when a word is suggested, the word is based on say the previous few words. But when it comes to LLMs, then LLMs are actually predicting the next set of words based on a larger set or a larger database, a larger data store, a larger set of documents. Now these models, large language models, they are trained using a lot of data from different sources. You may have heard that ChatGPT has been trained on a huge set of data over the years. And when you do that, then it starts to give you a feeling that it has some common sense. So it understands a lot of things. Now, based on the data that it has, it basically predicts the next set of words, and this prediction is based on probability. Like what is the probability of a particular word coming next or a set of words coming next, and the words or set of words that have a larger probability show you, I mean they are displayed, they get shown to you. So that's at a very high level. Now these words are also referred to as tokens. So LLMs are like you can just consider it's like your messaging app but at a very large scale, and that's what it is. So these models are trained using a lot of data, like I mentioned, and once they have the data, they start to predict what should come next. So when you write something, it'll tell you, okay, based on whatever you have entered, I'm going to check all the data that I have and I'm going to give you the best possible match. And that's how these applications work, like ChatGPT. Now this is at a very high level. In the next video, I'm going to give you more information on this, and we'll start looking into how to build applications using LLMs. Thank you.